thank you for joining us for this Meet the Experts session brought to you by our good friends at WuXi Advanced Therapies. In this mini-series, we're going on a journey with the WuXi team where they're going to be sharing some of the commercial success that they see in developing cell and gene therapies with their clients. Today's session is the first in the series, and we'll be exploring closed process CAR-T manufacturing. I am joined today by Dr. Poonam Sharma, who is a senior scientist in the Cell Therapy Process Development Department at WuXi Advanced Therapies. Please submit your questions. During the session, Dr. Sharma or a member of the WuXi team will respond to your questions, and we've also created time at the end to answer some of the questions as well. If we can't get around to all of the questions during the presentation, then you've also got the option to book a meeting with the WuXi team during the conference. So, without further ado, let me please introduce Dr. Poonam Sharma, Senior Scientist at WuXi Advanced Therapies. Over to you, Dr. Sharma.
Thank you, Michael, and hello, everyone, and welcome. As Michael mentioned, my name is Poonam Sharma, and I am a senior scientist in the process development group at WuXi Advanced Therapies. Today, I'll be talking about our innovative closed process CAR-T cell therapy platform. WuXi Advanced Therapies is a global company across 2 countries and regions. Today, I will be covering our US site, which is comprised of 4 buildings and over 400,000 square feet for cell and gene therapy clinical and commercial manufacturing and testing services, which are located in the Navy Yard in Philadelphia. WuXi Advanced Therapies is a contract testing, development, and manufacturing organization, what we call CDMO. We're a strategic GMP partner for both cell therapy and viral vectors, and we're a global, fully integrated single-source partner to help accelerate your progress and time to market. We support a variety of programs across phases from process development through manufacturing, quality control, testing, and regulatory support. We have over 27 commercial lot release testing programs and can support global submissions for biosafety testing and are a market leader in viral clearance. We continue to support a variety of partners to accelerate their pipelines for CAR-T therapies, tumor-infiltrating lymphocyte therapies, and gene therapies. And to better do this over the years, we have launched several platforms that provide greater predictability and speed to market, including platforms for lenti, AAV, and CAR-T cells. And we're continuing to develop more platforms for manufacturing tumor and marrow-infiltrating lymphocyte therapies and more. CAR-T cell therapies are generated from T cells that are isolated from patients and sent to the manufacturing site. There, they're activated, genetically modified, and then proliferated. At the end of the manufacturing process, they are cryopreserved and sent to the clinic to infusion to a patient. In the case of autologous therapies, the therapeutic returns to the patient that the cells were originally collected from, while in the case of allogeneic therapies, the therapeutic can be stored and sent to a number of patients in the future. We understand that manufacturing CAR-T cell products is challenging. Our experience in manufacturing CAR-T cells originates in 2014, with over 400 released GMP lots, including both autologous and allogeneic cell therapeutics since then. We understand the value of flexibility, speed, and cost, which our closed process CAR-T cell therapy platform for autologous therapies will address. The CAR-T platform has many advantages that shorten time and cost from initial signature to GMP manufacturing. Not only have our technical teams developed a robust predefined process, this platform includes onboarded and pre-approved bills of material, templated batch records, process descriptions and parameters, pre-qualified and ready-to-use equipment in a shared manufacturing suite, trained manufacturing teams, as well as technical teams to facilitate flexibility for tech transfer and integrated analytical testing. Our CAR-T platform process is divided into 2 cohorts to support clients looking for different doses of their final product, with the inflection point being at 10 billion cells. Above 10 billion cells, a 2-step expansion is required, whereas below 10 billion cells, a single-step expansion is sufficient. In both tracks, The CliniMACS Prodigy is used to isolate CD4 and CD8 positive T cells from fresh or thawed frozen apheresis. The activation, transduction, and expansion are completed within G-Rex flasks, or in the case of the higher dose cohort, the Zuri bioreactor system is also available as needed. The closed system, concentration, wash, formulation, and fill is completed using the Lovo automated cell processing system and the Sepax. And these unit operations are the same across both cohorts. Our platform process uses off-the-shelf GMP-grade chemically defined media, activator, and cytokines. While our primary platform process uses isolated CD4 and CD8 positive T cells, we understand that clients may be interested in directly stimulating PBMCs. To accommodate this within our platform, we developed an alternative isolation strategy using the capabilities of the Sepax to complete a Ficoll-based isolation of PBMCs. As mentioned, the isolation of the starting cell population for our platform is completed using the CliniMACS Prodigy with its magnetic bead-based positive selection from either fresh apheresis or thawed frozen apheresis. Based on our development studies using fresh apheresis, we are able to achieve a 20 to 40% recovery of total cells, and the recovery of the CD3 population within that is around 60%. Using frozen apheresis, we actually observed a better recovery of total cells around 30 to 55%, and the CD3 positive T cell recovery within that population was 86%. The purity of the isolated cell population is greater than 90% CD3 positive T cells in both cases. The starting total cell numbers were between 3 billion and 10 billion, while for the frozen apheresis, the starting cell numbers were around 4 to 5 billion, as they were quarter Wikipex. The use of frozen apheresis as starting material has the added benefit of providing greater flexibility in terms of scheduling of lots. While the CD4-CD8 positive cell isolation is the gold standard of our platform, PBMC isolation can be used as a simple and more cost-efficient alternative strategy, but results in greater variability in the recovery of cells. While the T cell recovery is comparable, around 56%, the cell population composition after the isolation ranges from 37 to 63% CD3 positive T cells, compared to the greater than 90% purity that's observed with the direct CD4-CD8 positive T cell isolation. One-step expansion of T cells from fresh or frozen apheresis in our platform results in around 2 to 3 billion T cells per flask by day 9 of culture, with a population doubling of around 4.5 to 5. Up to 5 flasks can be accommodated for the one-step expansion, yielding greater than 10 billion T cells. We observed similar results when compared to the alternative method of expansion of cells in the Prodigy culture chamber. Our two-step expansion in G-Rex flasks yields greater than 10 billion T cells per flask by day 12 of culture, with a population doubling of around 6.2 to 6.7, higher than the alternative method of using the Zuri bioreactor system for expansion. In our platform, we can accommodate up to 5 flasks in the two-step expansion as well, yielding greater than 50 billion cells. The platform closed system concentration and wash using a predefined method for the Lovo automated cell processing system results in greater than 70% recovery and viability across a variety of starting cell volumes and final cell densities. And the platform closed system final formulation and fill method performed using the Sepax device results in greater than 70% post-thaw recovery and viability. While the final product characteristics will vary based on donor, starting material, and CAR vector construct, using our model CAR vector, we observed a median ratio of CD4 to CD8 T cells of around 0.5. And the final product has been observed to have a wide range of the desirable phenotypes of naive and central memory T cells, with the median being around 50%. This platform is an excellent option for clients as it minimizes much of the tech transfer hurdles that come with brand new custom programs. such as complex transfers of custom processes and materials, first from the client to our process development teams, and then another transfer from our process development teams to our manufacturing teams, along with manufacturing readiness activities, all contributing to longer timelines. Comparatively, the CAR-T platform offers truncated timelines, as materials are already pre-approved, batch records are templated, process description and parameters predefined, and equipment available in a GMP-ready shared manufacturing suite, ultimately yielding shortened timelines and cost by up to 40%. This shared suite leverages the closed nature of the platform process and contains GMP-ready equipment available for use. The suite is outfitted with equipment that is used throughout the platform process, including the CliniMACS Prodigy, equipment, incubators, the GatherX, Lovo, Zuri bioreactor systems, and the Sepax, as well as custom equipment such as tube sealers and welders, and the NC200s for cell counting. The transition to manufacturing from process development is shortened as there's no need for purchasing or qualifying all equipment. Along with the streamlined processing, integrated analytical testing is also available with assays for general characteristics, product-specific release testing, and safety testing. All testing is performed in-house and requires no outsourcing. We also have additional testing capabilities that are available, such as potency tests and a variety of flow cytometry panels. Our analytical testing teams use industry-leading analytical instrumentation to support all in-process and final product testing required to support their program at any phase of a project, from early R&D work to commercial lot release. For example, for flow cytometry-based release testing, the BD FACSCanto is the industry standard for GMP release, while the Max Quant can be used for high-throughput R&D testing. Our teams are also constantly evaluating and incorporating new technologies to improve throughput and consistency. For example, the use of a GOI-specific droplet digital PCR method for integrated copy number. In addition to our testing capabilities, we offer a stability program at various temperature conditions that can be used during clinical manufacturing to measure sterility, identity, purity, quality, and potency for FDA recommendations to help assess product stability. Intermediate stability studies can also be performed to evaluate in-process hold times and stability if needed. Our facilities have been designed and qualified to US and EU standards and are regularly audited by the FDA, EMA, and PMDA. As programs progress, we offer wide-ranging and comprehensive support for clinical regulatory filing through our regulatory affairs program as well. As mentioned, WuXi Advanced Therapies offers an innovative closed CAR-T manufacturing process platform with pre-approved materials, a GMP facility with pre-qualified equipment, strong, dedicated, and trained technical and manufacturing teams, pre-approved batch records, integrated analytics, and regulatory support, together accelerating progress and time to market for CAR-T therapies. Thank you very much for your time, and I will hand it back to Michael.
Thank you very much for that excellent presentation, Poonam. And we do have a couple of questions that I want to pose at you from the audience. The first question is, how much flexibility does your platform offer, and how does minor customization impact the timeline?
That's a great question. So our closed process CAR-T platform accelerates clients' timelines. There's flexibility within the platform, and changes normally result in time and cost. Our platforms for manufacturing and testing can save considerable amount of time and to getting to GMP. However, we will work with you to make sure that you're satisfied with how your process has been integrated into our platform.
Thank you, Poonam. And one more question. We've still got time for one more question. Is your platform able to be applied to other technologies?
Given our experience and past success, we're confident that this platform, this closed CAR-T platform, will be successful. We have experience in both autologous and allogeneic cell therapies with over 400 released GMP lots. So I think to answer your question specifically, this platform is pretty versatile and can be used for multiple different technologies.
Great, thank you. And that's pretty much all we've got time for now. So I will wrap up the session there. So thank you everyone for joining. And up next, we've got Lance Holland of Bluebird Bio talking about remote collaboration. So that'll be at 3 p.m. EST. And would also like to remind everyone as well that this was the first in a 3-part mini-series of Meet the Expert sessions with WuXi Advanced Therapies. So please dial back in tomorrow for 2 more sessions, which will cover AAV suspension and plasmid DNA production as well. Thank you very much, everyone. See you soon.